Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bagel sandwich right at home. It is a simple and satisfying meal perfect for any time of day. We will go through selecting the best bagel and spread, choosing your favorite fillings, and finally, assembling your perfect creation. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade treat in just a few easy steps. First, let us pick our bagel. Whether you prefer plain, sesame, or an everything bagel, freshness is key. Next, choose your spread. Cream cheese is classic, but hummus or avocado are also excellent choices. Toast your bagel for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is golden brown and slightly crispy. This warm, inviting base is crucial for a truly great sandwich. Now for the exciting part, the fillings. You can add protein with deli meats like turkey or ham, or even smoked salmon. Do not forget a slice of your favorite cheese, perhaps cheddar or provolone. Fresh vegetables such as crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and thinly sliced onion add a wonderful crunch and freshness. Feel free to get creative with your combinations. Finally, it is time to assemble your masterpiece. Spread your chosen topping generously on both halves of your toasted bagel. Carefully layer your protein, cheese, and fresh vegetables. Place the top bagel half firmly on your creation, gently pressing down. Your delicious homemade bagel sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a bite and savor the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.